Guys, and welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you a few tips to do if you cannot find your Bluetooth accessory on the OPPO A77s. So when I have a problem with my headphones, I'll always start it from the simplest way, just switch off and switch on again Bluetooth to restart the Bluetooth connection. You can also try to restart your phone by holding the power button and volume up and choose restart. Little bit obvious, I know, but sometimes it really works. Okay, at the start you have to be sure that your Bluetooth accessory is in the pair mode. How to enable pair mode you will find in the manual to your device or maybe on your YouTube channel, so just check it. Sometimes you have to click the button for 3 times, for example, or push it for a few seconds. Most modern devices starting the pair mode after the opening it, activating it, so you have to check it by yourself. If you're sure that your Bluetooth accessory is in the pair mode but it's still not visible for your device, for your OPPO, go to the settings, slide down and look for the system settings. Slide down again and go to the backup and reset. Now choose the reset phone, and you can see there you have reset network settings and Bluetooth is included here, so just tap on it, verify your code, pattern, etc. And choose reset network settings. After that, look for your device again on the Bluetooth list. The next tip from me, check your system updates. If you have any system updates, you can check it in the About device and tap on the top button at the in this section. If you have any update, like me, just click on the download and install it later, then look for your device again. And the last recommendation from me, check your Bluetooth accessory and your phone on other Bluetooth device to check which one is visible, which one is making problem here. That's it, thanks for the watching, leave us a subscribe or a comment, and goodbye.